Good morning, guys. We're here in Mapu Beach Resort. See? It's very nice. We have the white sand. Look at that view. The ocean.
Napoy ko ang dire, kwarto, overnight. Na ay 3 mil, na ay 2.5. Pero ang 3 mil dagay masulog.
Nakagod nga Diyos sa tao na.
Walking in the white sand.
Booking daan mo o isang kahan mo kanto. Booking daan mo ano magaan sa
Welcome to my vlog.
Hi vlog.
My vlog. So,
Silwaki ma'am.
what can you say about this
Fresh
place?
pa ni ma'am, kanina sa botilya.
It's very nice. This
Lamig
place is
man siya.
very nice. Very pretty.
And also, it's
Nice and cool.
It's just 30 pesos
For
per head for entrance,
oh,
and then the cottage is just 150. Maybe sometime you can come here before leaving, bring the kids, no?
Yeah, let them swim. You see, because it's very nice the water.
Water is so clear. And then there is a